Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's a wonderful day up here in Utah. As you can see, you can definitely tell that fall is coming around the corner, but it is still warm. And just a funny side note, I went up the mountains here once a while ago and I saw two rattlesnakes at the same day. So I hope we don't have any rattlesnakes around here right now, because we're going to talk about my truck here. And what's the reason for this? Well, almost exactly to this day I brought out this video right here. So let's go look at it. What do we have here? You all know it's a truck. It's a pickup truck, as you can see. And let's see what we got here. Yes, it's already been a year since I bought this truck, you know. And if you didn't follow the channel, there's a 2018 F-150 with the Powerstroke engine, and you can see here is the nice Powerstroke badge on it. So what have I done? How do I like the truck? Well, let's start right here. What have I done? I put this on here. See the F-150 inlays there. I think it looks good, and I have a video on that if you want to see it. Let's open it up. I put this mat in it. As you can see, it's dirty already. So people say, why do you need a truck? Nobody needs a truck, you know. People just have a truck to show off, and all kinds of references to other things. Well, this is why you need a truck. Look how scuffed up that is. If you work and if you need some vehicle to haul stuff, that's when you need a truck, you know. Of course, you can put a trailer on your nice little car, but you can only haul so much. And there's plenty of reasons why you need a truck. We also went on a road trip, and this was perfect. So how do I like it? I like it a lot. The gas mileage or diesel mileage is really good. I get about 25 plus, you know. I have a video on that as well. Go ahead and check my F-150 playlist. The engine runs really smooth, really good, so I'm really happy with it. Very good diesel engine. As you know, this is the one from Land Rover that they modified a little bit from the Powerstroke team to fit it in the F-150. I had the timing belts done, very expensive repair. That was not fun. Also, I got a video on that if that's interest you, but I would highly recommend doing that before your truck hits 150,000 miles or 8 years. So if you have the Powerstroke, that is, always do the timing belts. Other than that, you know, the truck is just great, runs really good. I mean, I enjoy driving it. Here's another modification. Got rid of the short ugly I got rid of the ugly long antenna and put this short stubby one on it. So flexible, can keep it on the car wash. Very good. That's about it what I modified. There's a lot of other things that will come that I will do on the truck. So I think did I miss anything? Now, did I regret buying the truck? No, not at all. I mean, I love it. It drives good. It is super comfortable. It's my favorite seating position is in the truck here. Not for driving fast, but for just cruising. Just really good. It's a family vehicle. Look at all that room here for the family. So just great. I mean, I love it, and I have zero regrets. I still have things to fix on it, like the heated seats on my side don't work, but the ventilated seats, they work. That is great in the summer. I have minor things that need to be done on it, and I'll make videos about that. But a lot was already good. It came with good tires, it came with good windshield wiper blades, it came very clean. It had all-weather mats in here, so it came with a lot of good stuff. So that's, yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, I had so many plans for this year, but you know, time is flying. I didn't get everything done that I wanted to do. The tires came with it. They are the Wild Peak ATs, and they are the AT3Ws, and they are rated for winter, for snow too. See, they have the snowflake with the 3 peaks, so that tells you that they're rated for snow and icy conditions. You can have all seasons. They are called all seasons, but they're not rated actually for snow and icy conditions. They can just hold the temperature, you know, when it's colder, but that's about it. Yeah guys, so here I'll show you a couple more nice shots from the truck, and I think they'll finish the video, so enjoy these, and I'll see you next time, hopefully soon. And I think I have some ideas to make a video about the town car again, so I look forward to it. I hope you do as well, and I'll see you soon.